What the heck?
On Thursday, January 27th, a thunderstorm wreaked havoc in Malaysia near Shah Alam, as heavy rain and strong winds ripped off the roofs of a hypermarket parking lot and uprooted a tree. The roofs of residents' houses also being torn off and blown away by the wind.
Astagfirullahaladzim, kenapa tu? Oh ya Allah. Oh ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim. Bahaya kita.
A total of 8 vehicles were damaged at the giant hypermarket, the Selangor Fire and Rescue Department said in a report. The report also stated that a tree had fallen and crushed 2 cars at a traffic light intersection near a polytechnic in Jalan Subang at 5 p.m. afternoon, but that the occupants were able to free themselves before the firemen arrived. Later, the Selangor Fire and Rescue Department deployed 6 firefighters to the scene to control the situation. In the meantime, the work of cutting down fallen trees and cleaning is in full swing, and the route had to be closed to all vehicles so far. Another report was received from the public around 6:50 p.m. involving a piece of roof on the second floor of a private university in Section 13 here falling due to strong winds. Fortunately, there were no injuries or casualties for the 3 reports.
Look.
It's dark! It's dark!
Yeah.